This is one of my favorite elevators, especially here in Fort Worth. This is the Ridglea in Fort Worth, Texas. This is an old piece of gem, one of my absolute favorites in Fort Worth. Oh, this is a beauty. Wow. Go to. I'm gonna let the door close and we'll start up the motor. This is definitely top-driven traction. I want to hear that door open again. I really love that sound. That button. I love the relays. Hanny, I think this elevator just has spoken for itself.
It's a nice elevator.
All right, so with that being said, there it goes, and that's it.